Welcome to Megamind creation. Today we are going to make a music LED changer. This is a very simple project for beginners. Let's start with connecting all LED in breadboard serially. After that, connect all VCC pin of LED to digital pin of Arduino from 3 to 10. It's time to connect the buzzer. Connect it on the D12 of Arduino. Now let's move to the coding section. First of all, open ChatGPT and generate code. You can customize your melody and effect according to your need. Now let's open Arduino IDE and upload the code. If you are interested in such type of IoT project, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for next videos.